Leaders from several industries took to the Capitol to share their concerns about recent rulings involving the Biometric Information Privacy Act. We told you last week about an employer who was sued by one of his workers. State Capitol reporter Theodora Coulivaris is live in our Capitol newsroom tonight. So Theodora, walk us through those rulings.
Jessica, last month, the state Supreme Court issued two rulings. One puts a 5-year statute of limitations on lawsuits related to the act, and the other allows people to file a lawsuit every time their data is improperly stored or collected. And that could mean every time they clock in and out of work. And those industry leaders say that needs to change. The Biometric Information Privacy Act has been on the books for over a decade. But two recent state Supreme Court rulings have left leaders in manufacturing, trucking, and even healthcare calling for change.
What we are asking for is to clarify many of BIPA's confusing terms, definitions, and provisions so that businesses can innovate and protect consumers.
The act requires companies to inform people about how they store their biometric data, like fingerprints, facial, and retinal scans. Those companies also have to get their consent. If they don't, they could be sued. Healthcare leaders say they rely on using fingerprint scans for workers to clock in and out. And the recent ruling that allows people to sue every time businesses violate BIPA has left them concerned.
We have regulations from federal government and from state government that focus our pay on the minutes of care. We have to track the individual seconds of care and of time that we have our staff on the floor, and the best means of doing this is through these mechanisms.
The changes also worry trucking companies that use cameras to teach drivers how to be safe on the road.
Trucking companies that were considering these cameras to improve safety have now decided against installing these cameras because they fear being sued in this state.
But the ACLU of Illinois doesn't see a need for a change in the law.
Now that there are violations, their argument is that they can't possibly comply with the law, so we should change it. It's bizarre.
More than 1,500 lawsuits have been filed since the law passed in 2008. Reporting live in Springfield, I'm Theodora Coulivaris, WCIA3, your local news leader.
Theodora, thank you. While no specific bills have been filed since the Supreme Court's rulings, some of the changes these leaders want to see are limiting the time period for when people can sue to 1 year instead of 5, and changing the ruling allowing people to sue for every violation.